Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. Wear a hat. If you see me outside, I've got my lifeguard hat on. Get that blood flowing. It's like working out the arms or your muscles of your leg. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram or Facebook to see a little bit more about who we are and my holistic or natural beliefs in skincare. I want to teach you how to be young and have gorgeous skin and no wrinkles when you're older, and when you're older to look your absolute best naturally and age beautifully. Today we're talking about lips. If you're new to me, I don't wear any foundation or concealer, I don't use a ring light, and I have not injected my face or done anything invasive. So many of you ask me how to fix the darkness along the sides of your mouth, or as we age, it starts to feel like we're frowning. And so I really want to encourage all of you to know that there are natural ways to take care of that. Now, one thing I want to remind all of you is to do your facial yoga. So it's so important to get your cheeks firmer, use your little microcurrents, or do professional microcurrent in the salon with an esthetician. You will be blown away. But another reason that sometimes that looks a little droopier is because we start to discolor here. We lose a little bit of our lip line color as we age, but we also discolor. So one thing that I recommend to so many people that ask for my help, and so many get afraid to use it, is baking soda. For goodness sake, use baking soda on brown spots, use baking soda on discolorations, and use baking soda if you have discolorations on your hands, under your armpits, on your knees. I also believe in using a sugar scrub, not a salt scrub, but a sugar scrub on the body. But let me show you a little bit about the lips. I have nothing on my lips today. I tried to make them nice and dry and parched. I do drink water all day. Whenever my eyes feel a little puffy or my lips feel a little pruny looking, I do drink water, and it's amazing how like a sponge it will just bring that up. But take a little bit of baking soda. You want to make it into a little paste and just go along that area, just like so. And it's right where you'd feel like you'd get that droopiness. But on a lot of women, that area can get very dark, and it's from eating, it's from just holding our mouths closed, it's an area that gets very dry, it can be an area that has acne. When you're in the salon, we really look at that area when we do extractions. Let it maybe sit for a couple seconds and just simply wipe it off. Now, actually, I'm not sure that you'll see much of a change on my lips right now. Another thing, and I do love this Hanalei Lip Scrub. I love it. Do a lip scrub. If you have something that you love, I love this because it has kukui oil in it, and I love anything with a good oil. Every night I exfoliate. Now, during the day, you might as well, especially in the winter when we all have our fireplaces on, maybe we have our heaters on. Just work it around. And I really want to show you what your lips will look like after. So right now, John's going to show you my lips before. And this is before doing all this for you. And then we'll show you after, as soon as I'm done. Now, the kukui oil gets in your lips. Any dry skin that you absolutely will have every single day. Our body is the largest organ of the body. At night is when it heals. And during the night, it purges things out, but it also gets rid of old skin. And that happens on your lips and every part of your body. So I like to make sure that either every night or every morning, I am exfoliating my skin. I actually exfoliate my face every day. But I also want to exfoliate my lips. And you can already feel how soft they look. It's gotten some blood flowing to them. There are collagen products out there. I am trying to show you how not to inject your lips. One thing I think a lot of you don't realize is when you inject it, you swell that skin up in your cheeks, in your lips, and you have disfigured it, or you have swollen it, just like when women have a baby. And then when all of that goes back down, that skin has swollen and sagged, and it will be saggy. So treating your lips naturally or your skin naturally by just working with the muscles of your face or working with your lips is just such a much wiser idea. Now, once I've done that, I will take a little lip liner. Now, this one is just a nude by L'Oreal, and I showed you this during the 14-day. I'll really make sure my bows look really good. And just like so. And give yourself a little bit of lip or a little bit of lip liner. Let me make sure I did that well. Okay. And some people like to put their lip liner all the way in their lip. I don't. Now I'm going to put on this Hanalei Lip Treatment. And there are so many treatments out there that will kind of puff the lips up a little bit. Some are really good. Some have irritants in them, peppermints, things like that. I don't think peppermint's an irritant, but it can really, it could irritate your lips a little bit, but not bad. I love it. But what you do is you're just going to put your lip treatment on. And think of this as moisturizing your lips. And our lips need to be moisturized. Now, you can leave that on by itself, or you can put your favorite lip gloss on. And I will just go as high into that lip line as I can. Just like so. I admit, Kent hates when I drink water out of the water bottle with my lip liner or my lip gloss, but I have to have lip gloss on all the time. My lips get very dry. And do you see how it just brightened up your lips? So the lip scrub got the blood flowing. When your blood's flowing, you're oxygenating skin cells in your skin. Your lips are part of your skin, and therefore you're producing collagen. You're getting things moving. You're creating new tissue. When you put the lip treatment on, it gives you a wonderful hydration and moisturizer that locks into your lips that will make them look just that little bit puffier. Then you add your lip liner that can give you a line if you're starting to lose your line as you age. And then you can put on your lip gloss. I hope this helped you to see that you can make your lips look beautiful naturally. You don't need to inject them. You don't need to buy a bunch of different things to make yourself feel better. It really is as simple as just taking care of the skin on your lips, just like you take care of the skin on your body or your face. I hope you all subscribe. I hope you all like this video. You just bring so much joy to my life. And any questions or comments, comment with love below. And I hope you all stay beautiful naturally.